You see, get on. Just push. Push.
I'm tired.
Push. You can see it.
Oh.
It's coming. Just push. Push. Yes. Hey. Oh, Bella. Just try. Oh.
I'm tired.
Push. Just see it. One more push. Push hard. It's coming now. Push. Don't you see? I think this last one. Push hard. Push. Chimo, abomination. Amichi River is dried up. Abomination. Oh, the people must hear this.
Ijele wine. What is the problem?
There is a problem.
Problem?
Mama.
My son, eh?
Me, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I want to go home.
All the time you are tired. Okay. Relax now. Let's continue. Let's do small.
I'm tired.
Let me finish this thing today. The work is still plenty. Eh? Let me finish this thing. Eh? Relax. Small. Just small.
Mom, I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to go and sit down now. I want to go and sit down.
This boy just to walk now. Eh? All the time you are tired. Only food. That is what you know how to eat. You cannot walk. You only know how to eat. Please, a stress patient. Eh? Small. I will go. We will go. Let me go and prepare. Hey, now you are here. This man, this one you are yawning.
Oh, you in there?
Are you doing?
I'm a little.
Son, you are yawning. I know you must be very hungry.
I want to eat more. Papa, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry.
Don't mind this one.
I know. See, as long as you're.
He's just lazy. He refuses to walk.
Papa, I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy. Huh? I don't know you didn't here for nothing. Now, you didn't here for nothing.
My husband, don't mind him. Let me go and cook for you. I know you must
What
be
do you
very
want
hungry.
to cook?
Your favorite now, Onubu.
You
know what's so like?
Oh,
yeah, Dimo.
Why, you almost get me for laughing.
You know now.
So you get me a
Let me
laughing.
cook for you.
I'm
I'm coming. Let me just enter the kitchen. Relax. I'm coming.
Near Berlin. I'll get it fair. Hey! Hey! Amu! Amiche! Ikam! Mbanu, oblazi oku. Ugo. Hey, Ugom. Don't tell me you are serious, Ugom. Ugom!
A child that said his mother will not sleep, that child will never sleep. A snake that refused to show its venom will be used to tie firewood by little kids. Isi kalaka nebo gidi. Ijele wine, the only God that answers me whenever I need favor.
Where is my child?
She went to bet the child.
Oh.
Thanks to the gods, you gave birth to a baby girl.
Baby girl.
Oh my.
Message.
Is it the name you want to call her?
Yes.
No. 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 No! No!
Abushi. Akwanya ka nji wee di mee ka nji agba ọsọ si mma agba n'ọsọ. Na ihe nne ji gwa m ya bụ ihe na nne chọrọ ka ngosi ya mmọnwụ. Nya ka nji nekata anya ọma ya bụrụ ke n'eziokwu.
Igwe arụ eme.
Ichiofo, what is it?
Igwe.
Ichiofo, talk to me. What is it?
I just lost my daughter.
What?
I just lost my daughter.
What happened to her?
Oh.
Ijele, what is going on? Why all this calamity in my kingdom? What is going on, Ijele? What is happening?
Not yet clear, Igwe. But Amici is about witnessing a very terrible calamity that has never existed in this kingdom. And I'm confused and still unsure if we can survive this storm because it is very heavy. And if we don't survive it, Igwe, I'm afraid Amici might never exist in the next
Lie! Era. Not in my era. Not in my reign.
Greetings, Your Highness. Azuka just put to bed.
Azuka just put to bed?
Yes, Your Highness.
The only positive news Amici has produced today.
Azuka. Yes. I'm here on behalf of the king and the elders.
On behalf of the king?
Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
As a matter of fact, all is well. Eh? Decided to honor you with these gifts.
For me?
Yes.
Whatever for?
You see, the birth of your child is regarded as a very special event. Yeah? Having taken place on an market day. And besides, no maiden within your age bracket, especially, has been known to have given birth successfully just like that, you know. And especially on an market day, no, everything about it is special. And that's why the king has honored you with these gifts.
Thank you so much. Please thank Igwe for me. Besides, I'm not a maid. I am a woman.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay, I will let him know about that. That's okay. I think we have to go that way now. Please take care of this.
Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Rotten orange from the king. Another legward orange from the king. Another leopard orange. If I had a choir here, they will all say, from the king.
Father, I greet you. Son? Father, what is the solution to this impending calamity staring at our faces? What do we do about it?
My son, this is a question that even Ijele the Ezeonu has no answer to.
Father. But Father, we cannot fold our hands simply because Ezeonu has no lasting solution to our problems. We have to seek for solution fast, else we drown in this calamity.
Son,
my father,
I am doing everything humanly possible to end this. And very soon, it will come to an end.
Father, we have to do what we have to do fast to avoid further destruction.
I'm doing that,
my king.
Now hear me. Your father did not hold his hands. He has compelled the jailer to provide immediate solution to all the wrong happenings in the kingdom. So there's nothing to fear about.
Mama, for a full day now, the stream of Aminchi has dried up. Not even a drop of water is found on it. Now, let me ask you, for how long did the people of Aminchi travel miles to the neighboring kingdom in search of water?
Son, for as long as the stream is dried up.
Ada, for how long do we keep going to one Fija kingdom just to fetch a simple pot of water? I'm tired. Ha!
Neka, Ijele is already on it with the gods. I believe in no distant time, our stream will definitely return back from wherever it must have traveled to.
Ada, Ijele needs to walk fast. She needs to talk to the gods fast. I am tired. We are living in hell. We are passing through hell. I'm going through a lot. I'm tired.
Gods of our land, why have you forsaken us? Please hear our cry and attend unto our prayers. We are suffering and we are getting tired. Please hear our cry.
Ijele,
the masquerade of Amici.
Omalugo, the deity of Ejeze. What are you looking for in Amici?
My prince.
Chima.
You are far gone, my prince. What bothers the prince of this land? Tell me, and I shall fix it once and for all.
Chima, can you do it?
And I joke him on my latazu. Huh? What is so hard for Chima to fix in this land?
Agirima is my problem.
Listen, he's a prince. A handsome prince at that. The dream of every maiden in this land.
But not me. He is handsome, what next? Of course, that is all he is. A male prince that will never come close to the crown. I'm so confused why all the maidens are excited to have him.
That he is a third choice prince does not make him inferior. He is a royal blood, blue blood, and will remain royalty forever. Let that get into your ears.
Chima, I do not want to die answering a member of the royal household. I want to live with the supreme power of royalty can offer.
Ana agwanti, manti anuro, ebele isi, ebele nya bunti, makana ona abu anya bebe, imi ebebe, owanne. You will regret this in near future. Mark today.
Till then, I will never come crying to you. Go tell the prince that I am not interested in him. Please excuse me.
She does not deserve the prince. She is desperate of powers. Marukwa. Now when a woman begins to look at where her anus ended, her head will knock on the ground. This one, desperate of power.
My people are dying, we are drowning our own tears. Odima, Odigima. Every day we cry, we are suffering. Who help us now? Where did we go wrong? Blood in the land of Amici. Na awu na aqua Shia ibiko bahara Ekwelaka Ainile Amici Ewo Amici
Father, I am very worried about this great land. And our present condition is giving me sleepless nights. My king, it's been years our river dried up. We cannot continue to rely on river nor figure as our only means of getting water.
My son.
Yes, my king.
I thought that this calamity will not last for long. But I'm beginning to fear that it will last forever. And our God has no answer to our questions. Who then do we ask?
Father, there are options. Yes. I think we should apply other methods that soothsayers, dibias, in and outside of this kingdom. We should go to them. I believe they will have solution to our problems. Let's give it a trial.
Each time I sit to discuss with you, I am happy. You are endowed with wisdom. In fact, it always gives me the confidence that the kingdom of Amici is in good hand when I'm gone. My son, you are endowed with wisdom. I want you to use it and take care of this kingdom when I'm gone.
Thank you, Father, for this great confidence you bestowed on me.
So, like what you said, we will try other means.
Yes, we should.
To see what we can do about the calamity.
I believe, Father, if we'll give soothsayers and dibias of other land an opportunity, I believe they have a long-lasting solution to our problems.
I will discuss with you, no, we'll try that.
I beg to leave, my king.
Princess, you look so good.
Thank you. Do you think Olisemeka will like it?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Chibuko.
Oh, my princess. Good day.
Good day to you. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
I came to see your brother. Is he in?
No, my princess. Since morning, he went to the farm and he's not yet back.
Okay. When he returns, tell him that I came looking for him.
Okay, I will, my princess.
Thank you.
All right, dear.
The prince of the land. She said she does not want you.
But Chima, I desire her. I want her in my life.
I know, but we do not always get what we desire. If we do, it will no longer be fun.
You call being rejected by someone you love fun? Chima, come on.
I'm a girl who see a pimp and I can have a gigi. The prince of the land. Mborogu no chiruzo. Nelimboba. Moranege wants. I call it a challenge. A challenge. Yes, because you have to live all your life wanting to prove her wrong. That you have a pivotal role to play in this kingdom. Not just as a third choice prince, as she said. When you finally do. My prince, you will be excited that you have won. And then, that is when it becomes fun. Agonuje. Arazuya nafia. Onataluchi. Are efiche kuyo efiche.
Chima, you know all my life, I have always sought for your advice. Because your advice has saved me numerous times. But on this one, I don't buy this idea.
Tata, if my advice has saved you countless times, this one is not far from the truth. My prince, you are ignorant of the truth and of what the future holds. Bigger things are coming your way. Because as you na ga na ya na. Ina anya na aka ndi na anya na aka ebe. Na 1 million eli mmadu ka ọ dị n'obu ọgbakpọ. Prince of the land, bigger things are coming.
Meeting Palace Guard. So you came to our court. Hope all is well.
All is well. I want to see your father.
Okay, he's inside. Go on, Papa.
Greetings.
Greetings, God.
The king demands your presence.
Igwe wants to see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ne? Go and bring my cup. Bring my cup. The king. Can you hurry up with that? Good. Oh. Okay, let's go. Hurry up with this, eh? But when I come back, 3 of us are going to the farm so we can put those things together, eh?
Okay, Papa.
I don't want to have to wait for you when I come back.
Okay, Papa.
Okay.
akụkọ nja akọlụ gị ejere m ama esi akalaba nkụ ka mme mmọnwụ ọkwa ndị jiri nkata kute mmiri mgbe mechaa na ya bụ mmọnwụ ewere ji na ọkụkọ dị m n'aka mgbe natawa ọkwanye ka m pụtara oke amụ ichi na amụ esi ọkụkọ agbanarị m n'ọsọ mee ka nchụ ọkụkọ efe enu nchi ya azụ ka m buru ji m ọ bụrụ na ebe atachago ji na alile gbuo mmọnwụ ọkwanye ka m ji wee gbajewe ka njekere na uwe eze nwaanyị anyị ji biri na amụ ichi ọma burukene niile nwere ọjị wee jekwuru ya na o ji agbarụ m afa ama na eze nwaanyị na ebe arịrị ọ nara m ọjị wakwuoro ndị chọtara ya bụrụ ka m si gbara aka na
Igwe, you sent for me.
Yes, Ichie, I sent for you. Ichie, it's been years since Ames River dried up. And the gods have been silent about it. I cannot allow my people to continue in search of water in every community. I have to provide a solution for them. Since the gods have refused to say anything, we have to look for another solution.
Your Highness, you see, I am not against your decision to look for a solution. But how will the gods feel about it? I mean, overlooking them, or ignoring them, and looking for a solution elsewhere. How would they feel about it?
Ichie,
Your Highness.
Did you say overlooking and ignoring the gods? Ichie, for so long now we have been consulting the gods. Even Ijele Nwan is lost. She knows nothing. She can't provide any solution. Always, the gods are silent. For how long will the god be silent? Ichie, I cannot allow my people to die. As the gods have refused to say anything, we have to look for solution elsewhere. I don't think they will be angry with us, for they have not been able to say anything to us.
is a very tricky situation. But even if you want to do that, I mean, how do you intend to go about it?
Each year, I have to look for a seer from another kingdom.
A seer from another kingdom? Which seer and from which kingdom? I mean,
each year I want to send for Asamo Beledu.
Asamo Beledu. Asama.
My love, I was just coming from your hut and Chibugo told me that you went to the farm. Why do you like stressing yourself?
My princess, my farmlands are my only source of income. I and Chibugo's stomach depends on it.
Okay, my father will provide you with anything you want once you get married to me.
I understand that, my princess, but I can't go hungry until then.
You are the one delaying that privilege. You are the one delaying it. Yes, I know that you are one of the greatest farmer in Amici. But maintaining that record is no longer necessary now that you have found favor in the eye of the only princess of Amici.
I've heard you, my princess. I've heard you.
Okay, you should go home. You look stressed out. Go and freshen up. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, my princess.
Okay, go.
Who are you? Be nwata na ibe akwa atụ aka. Nne ya nọrọ ya. Nna ya ga-anọ ya.
My people are dying, we are drowning our own tears.
Asamo Beledu, you are welcome to my kingdom. Asama, tell me, what is happening to my kingdom? What is going on?
Your Highness, a child that dances the dance of Strugede does not know that dance of Strugede is a dance of spirits.
I know.
What kills elephants starts from the stomach. I shall not speak of what I saw, because if I do, my curse will be returned back to my kingdom. I am sorry to say, Your Highness, Amit may not survive this storm.
Asama, you are making us more scared. Can you give us some hope, please?
Asamo Beledu, I did not invite you here to tell me about calamities and troubles. I want you to give me solution. I know what you can do. Give me solutions.
Darkness has enveloped this kingdom. If Amici ever survives, they will live for ages and will be remembered as the greatest kingdom that ever exists in the East. But I'm sorry to say, Your Highness, I'm afraid Amit has only but a slim chance to survive this storm. The ugly past, I shall speak no more. I take my leave.
igwe na-eje n'ọwụkwa aka ọhụ ụzọ hụ anụ bi n'ọhịa kama na ọwụ ka ndị mmadụ mara na dinta abalị ejewego kwe ihu dike na anyụ mma nkọ ebelebe egbukwe nne
Amit must survive this. Amit must survive this. As long as I, Igwe Ihudikananu Manko, sit on this throne, Amit will never cease to exist. Amit must survive.
Tradition does not forbid a man getting married before the elder brother, which is that there is a process. You count one before you count two.
This time we don't count. Don't count at all. Mother, what if the elders refuse to get married?
Despite being the same. I'm just a woman. I don't meddle in the affairs of the kingdom when it has to do with tradition. Yes, women are asked to stay behind when traditions are being discussed.
Tradition. Tradition again. Mother, it's best to discuss this issue.
You do no such thing. Don't bother him with such discussions for now. The kingdom is already facing a lot of problems. And I don't think he is in the right frame of mind to discuss that with you now.
Mother, as you can see me too, I'm not in the rightful frame of my mind because I need what belongs to me. Mother, I will not stop.
Stop!
I will not stop. See it in my eyes.
Get out!
Fire! Fire in my eyes, mother.
Get out!
I need what belongs to me. Fire.
Agrim, I got your message. But I want to make a promise to you that my position in this kingdom will be 100 times better than the man you will settle for. Oh yes.
I did you no wrong, my prince. I only rejected you. I do not have to be cursed for that.
Will you shut up? How dare you talk to the prince like that?
I'm sorry. But I will appreciate if he respects my rights. I have every right to reject whatsoever proposal and not to be cursed for it.
It's okay and it's fine. Agrima, I want to let you know something. That very soon you will see me seated above all. But then it will be too late for you to come back. God, let's go. Very soon.
Ijele, I invited a seer from Ekpago, who came here and left hurriedly, being afraid to say what he saw. Why haven't you seen anything since all these days?
I am only the eyes and the mouthpiece of the gods. I speak what they show me.
It's obvious. You are no longer qualified to run the affairs of the gods. And we make arrangement to relieve of your duty.
No, my king. The ways of the gods are not the way of men. Because they are mute for the meantime, doesn't mean I have a strange relationship with them.
Ijele, listen and listen good. Ijele, my throne is at stake. The existence of Amici is at stake. What are you waiting for? Consult with the gods and know what is going on in this community.
Please, my king. Give me more time.
Ijele, time is what we don't have. Okeke this year said that the past has come back to haunt us. Chew on these words and consult the cause. In 7 days' time, I want to hear from you. If by the end of 7 days, I had nothing from you, I will have no other option than to relieve you of your duty. It seems like you are no more qualified to handle this post.
How is the prince? Well, he was fine the last time we met.
Did you discuss with him about what we discussed the last time?
I did, but he did not give me any answer that was satisfying.
Really, this is not good. This is not good at all. You know that Ozoemena is the first son of Igwe Dikeh and the heir apparent to the throne. Every maiden in Amici wants to have him. You have to do everything within your power to keep him. Every single thing. This is not good at all.
You do not expect me to go propose to him, do you?
I do. I expect you to propose to him. You have to keep giving him reasons to talk to his father about you. You have to. I expect you to propose to him.
Neka, I will try my best.
You have to try.
I will.
You have to make sure that your best is good enough. We can't let him leave this family. This is the prince we're talking about. You know.
Thank you for always having my back. But you keep talking about keeping him in the family.
Yes, so very important.
I love you, sister.
I love you too, my dear.
Your Highness, I am not against your decision to relieve Ijele Nwanyị of her position. That is, if she fails in 7 days' time. But my question is this. Who will take that position? No, who will take the position? That position is usually by appointment. And this appointment is made by the gods.
Then, after relieving her of her duty, then the god might decide to appoint the right person to run the affairs.
I think we should give her more time because this appointment is usually by the gods. Let us give her more time, Your Highness. Please. Hey.
We have no time.
Okay. You are saying the gods will bring another person. By the time you relieve her of her position. Now, what if the gods fail to bring another person?
It is better that Amici cease to exist than to have an Ijele Nwanyị that occupy that position and can't be able to do anything.
Igwe, you are daring the gods. In this case, Akam, Akunoya, Opam, Lekwe, Akam. And my hands are less and watch something.
Then you better wash your hand and get out of this palace. Get out of the palace.
Igwe, you are daring the gods. Igwe, Anna,
What is Emeka? There is something bothering me.
What is it, my sister?
It's about Princess.
What about her?
What is keeping you from proposing to her?
My dream.
Your dream? What about your dream?
I had a bad dream. And in that dream, I saw father and mother in a queue, walking into a very dark environment. And to my greatest surprise, I also saw Adese in their midst.
Adese?
Yes. Torom, I don't understand.
It's a bad dream, oh brother. That shouldn't be enough reason for you not to propose to her.
I know. But I am scared. Seeing her in the midst of our dead parents, that got me thinking. Eh?
Yes, it's just a male dream. You shouldn't be scared. Try and propose to her. It could happen to anybody. We have suffered. Understand? You're talking about princess here. Try and propose to her. Because of the royalty. You know what it means.
I know. But I'm just trying to know what exactly the problem is. Yes. Just pray.
It's okay.
The time has come.
Amalugo, what are you doing in Amici?
Mortals like you possess no right to ask me such question. I have come to warn you. When the time comes, do not make yourself my enemy.
We are separated by 2 oceans. Do not step on my toes.
You do not threaten a priestess.
I am a goddess.
When the time comes, we shall see.
You disappear. I wait.
Gods of the 4 winds, Amalugo is here. I seek for your grace. Please help me with thy power so that I win this battle. And after the battle is won, I shall return your power with a gift that will please it to your sight. Help me!
Your Highness, the dream shall come true, but it's not clear where and when. I also see the tail becoming the head.
The tail becoming the head. Asamo Beledu, who is this tail? That is why I invited you.
I don't know, Your Highness. It is not clear when it will. Maybe an inferior kingdom shall rule over the superior, or maybe the circumstance shall accord it least supremacy.
Asamma, when I heard that you have accepted my invitation for the 2nd time, I was happy. Believing that for you to accept this invitation again, you are ready to face every challenge that will come your way. Asama, tell me, who is after my kingdom?
They are not after your kingdom, your highness. They are after the heir apparent to the throne of Amichi kingdom.
And they have been the brain behind everything that been happening in this kingdom all these years?
No. They held onto the past mistake of this kingdom and we use this to destroy it.
Past mistakes? What are you talking
My people are dying, we are drowning our own tears. Odima, Odigima. Every day we cry, we are suffering. Who will help us now? Where did we go wrong? Blood in the land of Amici.
You look worried.
Yes, Mother.
Mother, is it true that soon Amici will cease to exist?
It has not been confirmed yet.
Please, Mother, talk to me. I am very scared.
Well, you don't have to be scared, my daughter. It is true that the seer from Igbago said it, but your father is working very hard to stop it. You don't have to be scared, my daughter.
Mother, will he succeed?
I have never failed. And I will start now. I will put my blood on the line to save Amici kingdom.
But Father, there is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. Father, I know no great king ever quits from any battle. But Father, why don't we leave this kingdom now?
Son?
Yes.
I've known you as a brave child. Why are you talking like a coward now? I have never run away from any battle. And I can't run now.
I see, Father. Don't forget, there's a saying that he that fight and run live to fight another day.
I am a god! I am not afraid of any god, mortal or immortal. I stand my ground. The lion never sees war and run. It only balances back and face the war squarely.
Can't you see? The gods have forsaken us.
I am not afraid of any god. No god can forsake me. I am a god myself. I can withstand anything. And Amici cannot perish in my presence.
Banulo no kwagu nekwu. Banulo no kwagu nekwu. Okwagu bata mgbada wara ọsọ. Ọkwụkwụ ji agụ mgbada eje ya ụgwọ mana agụ bata mgbada wara ọsọ dede mmọnwụ. Odogwu n'ịrapụta mụ na Amici ibe anyị o. Kedu ihe nja akọrọ ndị ichie ọma ewuru kene niile. Ewu.
We have waited for ages, decades, generations. It is time to hunt them with their ugly pasts.
Yes!
They have failed in their part of the bargain. So we will inflict miseries, more miseries on them if they refuse to ask questions.
Yes!
them.
Yes!
The children shall suffer.
Yes!
Until they ask proper questions.
Yes.
My daughters,
Yes, Father.
the crown of Amici cannot be fought for. It has a procedure.
I know, Father. But what if Prince Enebeke decides to rival Prince Ozoemena?
Did Prince Ozemene tell you anything of such?
No, Father. But I have a feeling this might happen.
It has never happened in the history of Amici before. But peradventure it happens. It means it's one of those impending calamity that we wait to witness in Amici.
Calamity, kwa. Father, calamity.
Umazi amarele. Umazi amarele.
My coronation will take place in 2 days' time.
My father told me about that.
Oh, he did.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Can you do me a favor?
What favor?
I would love you to walk side by side with me on the day of your coronation.
Do I take that as a proposal?
And our marital rites will also be concluded immediately after the coronation.
Oh my goodness. I am so excited. So finally. Thank you. I will do that with you over and over again.
You're welcome, my queen.
We have procedures in selecting the crown prince. It is never contested. The crown prince is given only by merit.
Destiny. Ijele, why can't I become the crown prince of Amici Kingdom?
Because you're the second son. The heir apparent is given only to the first fruit of the king.
Ijele, even when you stand to gain a lot from me, when I become the king of Amici Kingdom.
What are you talking about?
Ijele, being the crown prince of Amici Kingdom, that gives me some right, which includes influencing the king's decision and make mine respected. If only you help me achieve my ambition, I will retain your position as the chief princess. Not only that, I will make sure it shall be permanent for generation to come.
Great offer, my son. How I wish I can help you. I'm sorry, I can't.
Ijele, you can. You have been a great spiritual priestess in this kingdom. So you can do anything possible for me to retain this great throne. And don't forget, Enebeke never go for a battle and lose it. Because there is a fire burning in my eyes. And no man born of a woman, not even my brother, will take what belongs to me.
The cockroach that toys in the territory of a chicken finds itself in the gizzard of a chicken.
I see. Enebeke never lose a battle. I take the bull by the horn. Fire is burning in my eyes.
You shall leave at once.
Mother, you look so worried. And don't tell me you're fine because I know you're not. Speak to me. What is it?
I don't want to believe that he meant it. No. I believe he is joking. No, this boy is joking.
Mother, you're still getting me confused here. Who is this boy you're talking about?
It is your brother, Prince Enebeke. This boy is nursing the ambition of taking over the throne from your brother, the senior brother.
Mother, you have to calm down. You know he's not going to work.
Look at it. That is what I'm talking about here. This silly thought. I don't know how this silly thought got into his mind. Whoever it is that is listening to or that is deceiving him has the guts to contend with.
Mother, just take everything easy. Yeah?
Hi.
Talking about my brother, whatever he has in his mind is not going to work.
May the gods forbid that it will work. It will never work.
Enebeke, what did you just force out of your mouth? What did you just spew out of your mouth?
Father, please, I don't want you to see this differently. My priority is the well-being of this kingdom, which will be at stake should Ozemena emerge as the heir apparent. Father, you know it. You know it too well. Ozemena is a weakling. He can never run the affairs of this kingdom.
Enebeke. Enebeke. Listen and listen good. I don't want to hear this rubbish that's spewed out of your mouth behind the four corners of this palace. I don't want to hear it anywhere. And cease from saying this rubbish. Ozemena is the heir apparent to this throne. He's your elder brother. The throne belongs to him.
You know me too well, Enebeke. I go for what I want. I never lose what belongs to me.
What is it that belongs to you?
Father, the throne.
The throne does not belong to you. It belongs to Ozemena.
Father.
He's the heir apparent to this throne, not you.
Father, you have been a brave king. And so, your son, Enebeke, too, want to be a king like you do.
Enebeke, you cannot be king. Your brother Ozemena is the king. The gods has chosen him.
Father, the king should be me. The gods have made a wrong decision.
Then tell them to change their decision.
Fire is burning out of my eyes.
And that fire will burn your eyes to ashes.
Fire in my eyes.
That fire will first of all consume you.
Onyeti,
get out of my palace now! Get out of my presence! Get out!
Fire is burning, Father. Fire on my eyes. Onyeti, fire.
What is that? Rubbish. Where did that one come from?
Where is the backstabber? Where is he?
So you are here.
Why are you raising your voice in my abode? Here is the palace, not a madman's son.
How dare you call me a madman? After you went behind my back to seek for my birthright. Are you not afraid? How dare you?
What do you describe as your birthright? I'm sure not the throne of Amenchi, because I shall take it away from you.
In your dreams, you can never take what rightfully belongs to me. Never! Now listen, you better stop this your ambition of taking my birthright. Else I will have your head on a spike. Yes.
Is that a word of threats?
It's a promise.
I love that sound of threats. I am used to threats. But listen, don't forget. Millipede has so many legs, but that does not make it the fastest animal in the bush.
I am not a man of many words. Let me warn you for the last time. I will put your head on a spike. I will not repeat myself the second time.
Then
stay away from my birthright.
Demi, Isuzu, Piagis.
Always remember,
Isuzu, Maga, Piagis.
I am your elder brother. Be warned. Stop beforehand. Okay. Let me tell you again.
Isuzu, Moa Piagis. I send you to an early grave. No great man ever lose a battle that belongs to him. Isuzu!
Greetings, my princess. My princess, we are happy to mark with you another year of your birth.
Oh! I totally forgot. Thank you so much.
Welcome, my princess.
So today is actually the day of my birth.
Yes, my princess.
Let's go and see this.
We know.
How did you know?
That's why we are here waiting for you.
Okay, let's go. Remember I said he's going to give me something that my father, the king, cannot give. Thank you very much. We have to start going now.
Not so fast. You know, my princess, for a very long time I've been trying to do this. And I think this is the right time to do it.
Do what?
What are you talking about, sweetheart? Princess, are you married?
Yes, I'll marry you. Thank you.
Congratulations, my princess.
Thank you.
So excited right now. Thank you for saying yes to me, my princess.
No, I am the lucky one here to have you as my husband.
Really?
Yes.
No, I am the lucky one.
No. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my princess.
I love you.
I love you too.
We have to start going now. Yes.
Okay.
Your Highness. Your Highness. Igwe! Well, I don't know what might be troubling you. But whatever it is, today happens to be a very special day. And we're all expected to at least put smiles on our faces. Eh? Igwe, today is the day set aside for the coronation of the heir apparent. The heir apparent to this throne. So why don't we just at least smile, at least for today. Forget whatever calamities and every other problems we're having. Let us at least be happy for some time. Igwe.
I lost my only daughter, my princess, to the cold hands of death this morning.
Igwe, how did that happen? No. When? Where? How? Huh?
Olisa, I've told you before, stop crying. Stop blaming yourself. It is not your fault. Huh?
That as a result of my foolishness. She died the same night I proposed to her.
I know.
What do you have to say about that? I am guilty.
I know. It's okay. Stop blaming yourself, okay? Stop crying. The gods have every reason for whatever that happens.
If I hadn't proposed to her after my dream, this wouldn't have happened.
I know. It's okay, brother. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. No. It's not your fault. But it's my side. It's okay. It's my side. Don't worry. Okay.
With the power bestowed on me, I hereby crown you the heir apparent to Amici Kingdom.
Igwe! Osemena! Igwe! Osemena! Igwe! Osemena! Osemena! Igwe!
Osemena!
What is this?
Osemena!
Hey!
Osemena!
My son!
Osemena! Osemena!
Osemena!
Osemena kedukene! Arụkwa kuru ya bụ ya egbe echete m. Nchana echagu n'ụzọ ma iburu kende si otu. Ma nchaga echagu n'ụzọ olori ruru taa. Osemena m odogwu na Amici kunie. Agwa hụrụ n'ụzọ eyikwe meke. Osemena kulite. Sisikere na be ndị mmụọ na ọ na-ekwukwe. Onye nwụrụ anwụ si na ọ na-anụ ka ekwe na-agwa ya mana aja niile ekwe ya merịa. Ọzọ emekwe na onye ihe ọma mere anakwa na azọ ọzọ eme na ọma iburu kende niile. Odogwu Amici kunie. Ọwụrụ eke kuru ya kuye chete m. Aye mama, 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 oh mama, oh mama, oh mama. He that fetched the ant-infected firewood should get ready for the feast with the lizards.
What has happened has happened. We cannot question the gods, but we must respect tradition. Ebele, step forward.
Mother, Father, I promise you, when I become the great king of Amici Kingdom, may you bless me, Father. Blessings.
By the powers conferred on me, I hereby crown you the heir apparent to Amici crown. Your Highness, we must respect tradition. Wakana, step forward.
No! Stop.
What?
Go back. What is your problem? Do you want to wipe out my entire lineage? Is that what you want to do?
Your Highness, do you know exactly what you are saying? Today we must choose an heir apparent to this throne. Otherwise, we risk attracting the wrath of the gods much further. Is that what you want?
Tell your gods that I, Ihudi Manko, said there is not going to be any more tradition or coronation in this kingdom. I have lost 1, 2, 3 in total plus my daughter. I want to take my last son. I cannot risk him. Tell your gods, if they need anybody to be coronated, let them send their sons. Or you put them working Crown Prince.
Your Highness, if you want me to bring my son as Crown Prince, then give me your crown.
Yes, shut up.
Yes, you give me your
shut
crown.
up.
You give me the crown.
If you
bring my son.
venture say anything again here, I will banish you from this kingdom.
Your Highness.
I say shut up.
Don't you want the crown to remain in your household? Don't you?
It's here. It's
or
here.
You want to bring more
It's
trouble
here.
upon us?
This is the end of this conversation.
Hey.
And this coronation is over. Get out of my palace! Get out of my palace! Get everybody out of here!
Your Highness, I know your gods. It's what you could have avoided. It's not the best. I mean, why would you want to draw the wrath of the gods upon your own head? We have enough challenges, enough troubles on our hands. Please, think about it. Do not.
It's here. You are talking of the wrath of the gods. Ichie, let me ask you, what other calamity can the gods give to me that is more than losing my 3 offspring? Ichie, I am no more afraid of this slave. Yes, I am ready to face anything from the gods.
I still advise that you appease the gods, please, to avoid further calamities.
Ichie, I am Igwe Ihudike na onye Manko. Tell your God that they need to compensate me. Compensate me for taking away my precious children. Ichie, I am not afraid of the gods. They are the one who offended me. And I'm ready to face any consequences from them. Ojuku, Your Highness, go immediately to jealous court. Make sure you come back here with her immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
The vice now no boy just a boy ya jewe. Ichie, I am ready to face the gods.
bụ eziokwu anụ gbajọ sagbere ya jụ egbe. Mana nwata ife afọ chechi ya mkpa. Because the problem, a child should not feel that, yes, now that I'm overfed, I will not tell my God. Please, we require caution. You can't put up on Ujo.
Each year, if it comes to wrestling with the gods, I am ready to wrestle with it.
Hey!
I am ready for the gods.
Igwe. Igwe.
My people are dying, we are drowning our own tears. Oh,
You're here. How long will you continue like this? How long will you continue weeping?
As long as my eyes keeps bringing out tears. I just lost my second part.
I understand. But note.
My heart breaks in him.
I know.
And mine in his. He means so much to me. I don't know. I don't think I can pull through this trauma.
You can, okay? Listen to me. Just listen. Crying never brings back the dead. Okay? The earlier you realize it, the better for you. To save yourself the chance of possible illness. I cried day and night. But yet, what happened? Adeze was buried.
Please, I can't take it anymore.
I know.
I don't think I can pull this
I know.
this
I'm
through.
here. I'm here, okay?
I don't think I can pull through this trauma.
Don't worry, be fine. Nne. Chi? You'll be fine. Okay?
Greetings, Ijele.
To what do I owe this visit?
The king demands your presence.
You shall leave now. I will be with him shortly.
He will listen to you when you say that to him yourself.
King Dikeh, you are daring me to go against my vow. Intije, take care of my shrine. I will be back. Yes, Ijele.
I have funded the gods because they inflicted grievous pain on my household. Ijele, I will use your blood to appease the gods if you don't tell me what I want to hear now. It's already 7 days that I told you to commune with your gods. What did they say?
We have been living with the cause of our problems, Igwe.
Meaning what?
But Ijele, we have been living with the cause of our problems all these years. Look, can you break it down so I will understand what you're saying?
She must be sacrificed.
Who must be sacrificed? Who?
Now, Chima, let me ask you. Was this what you meant when you talked about the tail becoming the head?
If I knew, my prince, I would have disclosed this to you or the king.
So how did this happen? How does your dreams now be coming to pass?
Well, it may still be you. Well, it may still not be you. But you are not safe either.
And what makes you think this time it will not be me?
Because I saw a creature bigger. Amichi's existence is under threat, which was made clear by the seer from Ibago, that Amichi has a slim chance of surviving the storm. Now, if Amichi ceases to exist, there will be no need for their heir apparent.
That is why you are not safe. Now let me ask you, what if we make use of the slim chance that we have to survive this great storm?
Every day we cry, we are suffering. Who will help us now? Where did we go wrong?
Azuka! 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 Where is your daughter?
Why are you looking for my daughter? What has she done?
That you will soon know. We are here for her, not for you. Guards, get her.
Please, please don't rough handle her. Don't worry, she'll go with you.
Move,
Do not rough handle her.
Move.
Problem. Her birth brought about every calamity we have been experiencing in this kingdom.
Ijele, I disagree with you. This young maiden is special. The only maiden born on a war market day. It has never happened in this kingdom. The reason she was named Ezesinachi, name meant for only men.
Her birth was only to destroy Amici.
Ijele, what if I insist that she will not be sacrificed?
A stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Then you shall face the wrath of the gods, Igwe. I take my leave.
Igwe mkpụkpụ daa gị n'ihu daa gị n'azụ buru ụzọ mara nke buru ụzọ daa gị odogwu.
Your Highness, Ijele has just provided a solution. I suggest we obey the directive of the gods.
What solution are you talking about? That I should sacrifice this maiden? Is that what you are saying?
If her death will put an end to all the calamities we're experiencing in this kingdom, then let her go. Yes!
Will you allow her to die?
But the gods have spoken.
Will you allow her to die? You
don't understand. The gods have spoken.
Enough! Enough! Shut your mouth. See an innocent girl. Ojuku!
I'm innocent. I'm innocent, my king. I'm innocent.
Take her to the dungeon till I take my decision. Yes, Your Highness. Come with me.
Si wachakwa wacha, ene ka onye dị ama isi ya hie. Ọ na-emekwene ajụ nge na ṅụọ udo nriri rụrụ arụ gbara nge na ma bụrụ ihe eji akọrọ ndị mmụọ.
Ola, so Azuka has been the cause of our suffering all this while. I have always known that that woman is possessed.
I am surprised. Azuka is a good woman. She's just a poor widow, blessed by the gods with the fruit of the womb after her husband's death.
The husband she killed.
No, Agrima. They both lived happily, even before the husband's death. I just feel pity for her, because she's about losing the only child she has.
Ola, that fruit is evil.
Evil? Yeah. Even if the fruit is evil, but the gods gave it to her. You shouldn't have blamed her. You should have blamed the gods for giving her that child.
Whatever. Ola, whatever. I can't wait for that child to be sacrificed so that all the sufferings will end.
Agrima, why are you being so wicked?
Why
are you wicked?
That woman is a witch.
And I won't support you for that. She's not.
Are you going to support?
She has always been a good woman.
Good woman, and we are suffering.
Eh?
She has been the cause. So
I don't expect this from you. I don't expect this from you.
I expect anything.
Why you like this? Why do you like...
My prince, this kingdom will survive the storm.
Why did you say so?
Yes, because the enemy has misused her chance. She requested for that which will lead to her defeat, out of rivalry.
Chima, you are getting me more confused.
My prince, they are taking her to the shrine, but she's not the problem. You are part of the solution.
Take her inside for the sacrifice. It is time for the sacrifice.
They just killed an innocent child. She is not the problem. But that is the beginning of Amichi's victory. My prince, you will have a pivotal role to play. It is now obvious. It is now obvious that you are the tail, the third choice prince. But it was a black was I doing
The sacrifice is done.
Why? No, you can't do this to me. This is just the beginning. It is time to visit Amici.
Aga na bịa halele gaga halele maputa halele otu abụọ atọ anọ ise anyị gaga anyị ga-alụ ọgụ amalugo gaga amalugo hapụ anyị anyị zọla ajọ chi nwanyị anyị wee udo anyị tara ahụhụ zuru oke.
I really don't understand it. Why would she insist that the God instructed her to kill the child? Upon all the children in this kingdom, why that particular child? Why insist on killing her? Azuka.
I have been chosen by the gods. We have a lot of battles to deal with, but we will first deal with the one that we brought upon ourselves.
What battle are you talking about?
Your great-great-grandfather, Odumodu the 16th of Amici Kingdom, buried 7 widows right here in this palace to authenticate his supremacy over the neighboring kingdoms. In order to be unquestionable and untouchable, Ogirige compelled him to perform certain sacrifices. These sacrifices were to be renewed every 60 years. Your grandfather performed it. But your father did not perform it. And that is why he did not pass the information to you. And now these 7 maidens, the spirit of the 7 widows have risen to ensure that the kingdom of Amici is wiped from the face of the earth. His daughter, Amalugo, has come to avenge the promise that your great-great-grandfather had promised.
You are a fool. A very big fool to think that I will protect you.
But you promised me. You promised me that if I kill her daughter, you will use your powers to end the calamity that will befall the kingdom.
I did? But I'm sorry. I lied. Yes, I lied. Because I am the calamity that will befall this land.
Homalugo, we are sorry. Please forgive us.
No, no. No.
Your grandfather was meant to marry Ogirige's daughter, but he failed to do so. And now, the kingdom of Amici is in trouble.
Azuka, tell me all these historical jargons and tell me the way forward.
Your son is to embark on a 7-day journey into Ekpango forest.
Ekpango is a deadly forest, Your Highness.
No, I won't grant that. He is my only son, the heir apparent to my throne. The gods should make another demand.
The gods have spoken, but you are the king, right? You have every reason and every right to make your own decisions. But be warned. The sooner you take that decision, the better for all of us.
Azuka. Azuka, is there no other way? No. No! My son cannot embark on that
Hey, Chima. Chima, Bikono, please. Now I've realized how foolish I was for not accepting Prince Okena's approach. Please, talk to him. I know you're the only one he listens to. Please, I want him. Like now, I want him.
And what makes you think he will not in agreement to that?
Because he loves me. And true love never dies.
His has died long ago.
Oh.
It has died long ago.
Oh.
This kingdom is in shambles. We are facing enough challenges already. Why don't you concern yourself with your own safety? You are planning to achieve your selfish desire.
Chima, please. Please talk to him.
Oh, yeah, listen to me. Why open a maroke mad echiche? Bombade ana kugo.
Chima, because no. Bikono Chima. Hey, Chineke na tokwanu mo. Hey. So just lose Prince Okena like that. Oh, Chima.
Go. You do not belong here.
What joy do you derive fighting for the gods that masterminded the killing of your only child?
You killed my child, not the gods.
But then what is me to it? Does that not tell you that they are powerless?
It only proves that their ways are not the ways of man. From the day you conceived the idea of taking my daughter's life, that was when you started to fail.
I have come to warn you. Stay away from this battle, because you were not there when this agreement was made.
I am here to do justice to the unjust agreement.
Igwe, with all due respect, I humbly suggest that you let the heir apparent fulfill his destiny. Please, let him serve his destiny for the sake of this kingdom. Listen, Igwe, you're restricting him from doing so can only bring calamity, can only bring down this entire kingdom. Please, Igwe, listen to the voice of reason.
Ichie, I did not invite you to this palace. I did not send for you. And I think you have overstayed your welcome. It's time you leave this palace. I say leave the palace!
You are ordering me out of the palace just because I'm making a very cogent suggestion? Eh?
And what is your suggestion?
for the good of this kingdom.
What is your suggestion? To kill my only child?
No!
Is that your suggestion?
But I told you the boy stands a chance of surviving.
As what?
As a heir apparent.
And you are the one who will survive him. When you killed two here in my presence, why didn't you allow them to survive?
Was I the one that killed
You
them?
did!
I did not.
You did!
Igwe?
You coming here to tell me to send this one to go and die too?
No, he will not.
Leave my palace, my friend. Live here.
Igwe, I will leave your palace. But, please, listen to the voice of reason. Please. Let us do the needful for the sake of this kingdom.
Your voice is a voice of calamity, and I will not listen to it.
Igwe.
Yes.
Last time
Let me tell you something, my friend. I am who can manko. When I speak, it stays so.
Hey, Your Majesty. Okay. Okay, I will leave you. But please, let the boy fulfill his destiny. Let him serve his destiny. For the sake of this rule, and for the sake of the entire kingdom.
Ichie, let me tell you something. If my son going to the forest of Epangwo is the only remedy to the calamity of this kingdom, then let this kingdom perish.
Hey! Igwe, you are daring the gods. You want to bring down this kingdom during your reign, under your watch. Ha!
Haven't you heard that I am a god in disguise as a man? That is me. And I have spoken, so shall it be. Leave.
You want me to leave?
Leave.
You're asking me to leave the palace?
I say leave the palace.
You will still send for me. Igwe, you will send for me. Igwe, you will send for me.
I will bury this man alive.
Ọ na-emekwani mgbe gboo mgbe tere aka onye TV daa ibi echie ya echichi kpọwara iwu isi ala nyewe ya ndị orujuwa akwọ mana onye Igbo daa ibi o nwere ka esi ele ya anya ibisi ya wụ ọbịa si ya wụrụ ọbịa ya bịakwute na ya wee ibi amasịghị m egbe na-egbu anụnụ na-eru eru nnekwu amali nyụọ ya anya ụzụ gburu oge na onye dịkwara ọdụ egbe anya ọ bụrụ na o rere ọdụ egbe anya ma deluke na-eru ihu dike na anya ụmụ nkọ nke izizi ọma bụrụ ke n'eziokwu lekwa ikpere ala nwa ewu ji aṅụ nne ya ala deje daalụ.
He doesn't want to listen to your advice. Why not let him pay the price?
I am fulfilling my destiny.
Do not make yourself my obstacle. Else, I will make you perish.
I perish if I have to perish. But if I leave, I will protect Abich.
We shall see.
Coward. Coward you are. Always on the run.
of the land. Ọkụ Sudan is because they call you Ranyo. Ya kwa kwanti na-egbuse blata ya wụsa dị nwudu maka ejele na-ejela n'ibe ya eme lide. Isi na-egbu ogidi egbu ogidi nke a dị egbu ogidi gbuo ogidi o ji jie ya onu.
Chima.
My friends, sit down.
Chima. Now, Chima, the kingdom of Amici is at my mercy. What do I do?
My prince, only one solution. One solution.
Which is?
You have to serve your destiny. From your mother's womb, you have been made to save Amici. And if you fail to live your destiny, Amici will cease to exist. Yes.
Chima, but not when my father is against it.
Crown Prince, you are now grown. You have grown from tail to the top. From being the last to being the first. And then, let us see if you will rule, as it was said. Babisiaku, onye nwa akwụ pụta obulu akwụ. Crown Prince.
My king, you are a wise man. Why don't you apply your wisdom now that Amici Kingdom needs it? Amaluko is here. She has arrived. Let us take her unawares.
Not at the expense of my lineage.
The lineage you talk about will not exist if Amalugo makes this Amici Kingdom history.
I am ready to grant her request. I am ready to sacrifice the entire kingdom of Amici just to save my only surviving son. I will grant her request. Who are you, woman?
I am Omalugo, the daughter of the greatest Ogriga.
What are you doing in my palace? Uninvited.
I have come to take what I desire for the sins your forefathers committed.
And what is it that you require?
The blood of your heir apparent.
My prince. My prince.
No.
They are risen.
Never. Never! You can't take my son. As for 10 heads of virgins, as for 20 elders, pregnant women, children, even unborn children. But my son, never. Ask for any other thing you want, but you can never take the head of my son. It's not possible.
Igwe Dikeh, you do not have the right to negotiate with me, for you were not the one who committed the crime.
Neither is my son the one that committed the crime. He is not, so you cannot take his life.
The battle line is drawn.
Woman, you are standing before a god. Did you ask questions before you venture into this palace? You are standing before Igwe Ihudike Nanyu Mango. police immediately be filed and sent on you.
Odogwu amichi ihu dike na anyụma nkọ. Nekene ka nwanyị na-esukwa na anyụma mmiri ji efe ga aka n'iru. Sigwa kene ha na otukwu nwanyị anaghị adị mma n'ata. Nwa nwanyị kachie ntị ide n'ata na ata ji ama unu ya ahụ. Ụmụazị etikpachago isi mmọnwụ akwanya ka nna ebere akwa. Nkeje Ọnịcha lọta ọchịrịkwu na bụ wina ihe toro ogologo zawa agụ na-ata aja gbawara ya ọsọ. Mana ite ya mgbe achara mgbere na-abụ ọkọrọ okbodo ihe eji eme mmọnwụ. Nekwe Chiekezie nwa amichi ekenekwe ego odogwu ịgara ịga kwozo ebu n'enu utu ya na-ekeli dike ndikelere deje daalụ. Ede na anwụ ite ọma ịgbanyụ ọkụ.
Agbala nwanyị do agbala nwanyị do. Ha! Onye a na-akpọ ọ na-asa. Ị na-ara. Agwago m ị ya anọnyela anyị mgbe eke. Nọnyela anyị n'afọ. Nọnyela anyị na nkwọ. Ọ bụzi onye ka a na-akọ maka ya. Ị nọ nyekwugoro n'anyị. Mwesio na-etu isi edu ndị be gị. Ndị ụmụ amichi. Ọ bụkwa ma mụ nwa nọ ibe nwa. Mma nọ na-eme ka isi gwa m. Ese. Anụmanụ ife ị na-ekwu. Ya bụ ife ikwu bụ eziokwu. Maka na okirikiri ka a na-agba ugbu ọsị asụ alizu enu. Onye si ka ọlị ọrụ ọdaji ekwu. Agbala nwanyị ọkwa na ya ka nji ekwu maka ya. Ese. Na egbe belu ugo belu nke si bi ebe na nkwukwu anya ọ ife anya na-akụziri ụmụazị. Maka na onye si na nwanne ya ma nọ nya nwa dakwepụ n'akụkụ. Uwe ebuka na ife dị n'akalị. Ife dị n'ụwa ga-elusi onye ọbụla. Onye atajizinalụ nwanne ya anya. Etu ọbụla isizi m ka m esi na-eme. Ma ọ bụrụkwa ma mụ nwa n'ebe a mma akwụba aka m ọtọ. Ifuru ike anyị na-enye m. Analụ m gị ya n'udo. Mma eji ya bụ ike wee chi ndị amichi. Ọchịchị nke mama mbụkwa nke mgbakọ. Ọma mbụkwa nke ogologo akpịrị. Ọma mbụkwa nke na-asị m bịa were ife nwa m asịrị. Anọkwa m na sese. Maka na nsisi eju m ọnụ. Agbalado! Odogwu nwanyị ka ebu.
He has bitten more than he can chew. He just sounded the war drum. But Omalingo would teach him the dancing steps. But what is he? Look, who is he to sound the war drum?
Okay, now. Father, I am a living God.
Father, you are getting me confused. What do you mean by you are a living God?
You're a child. But I will tell you this. In the history of Amish Kingdom, nobody, no mortal, has run through the ancient river of Olise and came out alive. But I, Igwe Ihudi Kenani Manko, have run through 3 of them and come out on earth. I become indestructible.
Father, now let me ask you. Does it mean you have the powers to save Aminchi in the time of trouble like this?
No. have the power to challenge any god or deity and come out unharmed. That is what your father can do.
Ọkwezi rakụrụ ọkụrụ kiriko ya. Ogini ka akọwara ejikọ ji ọgụ n'ọba. Ogini ka eji akọrọ ụwa niile. Lekwa anya na ngwongwo juru ụgbọ mmiri iwu ndị ahịhịa. Ugwu a na-akwara osikapa ahụ anụ na-atọ. Ata abụọ edesofu maka onye ji ebughe efere. Igwe ihu dike na anyụ mma nkọ. Lekwa ikpere ala nwa ewu ji aṅụ nne ya ala deje daalụ. Anọkwa nna nke eji eme gị ọdachi ekwe na ya ekwe. Agbakọ dike izu ama gbagharịa ya. Ihu dike na anyụ mma nkọ. Ekenekwe nge ekele ọnụ n'ịga dịrị m ndụ kara m nka. Maka na mmiri ana na-aka ebe ọ na-adọlụ. Mmiri ka ebe ọ na-adọlụ. Amakwa nke iyi iji adị na mma iche ibe anyị o.
Ọjadike.
Ee?
Daalụ.
Igwe.
Daalụ. Daalụkwa.
May you live long, my king.
Excuse me. Can I have a word with you?
Sorry, I'm returning from a far distance. I don't think I can stand too long.
I know. But I wouldn't take much of your time.
Okay.
Are you from this kingdom?
Yes. I'm the daughter of Uju Okoli.
Uju Okoli. Oh, sorry, don't mind me. I'm just lost in thought. It's okay. You may leave now.
Thank you.
She's beautiful. And I think I like her. How is Uju Okoli?
You do not belong here. Go back to your abode.
Mere mortals do not speak to a goddess like that.
Not when the goddess trespasses.
Asuka, I can destroy you in a blink of an eye.
My gods will always protect me. This is my territory. You do not threaten me.
Your gods are dead. And I am sending you to them right away. I am Omalugo. I am a formidable goddess. I am the only daughter of the great Ogiriga, the god that makes other gods scamper.
That doesn't make you indestructible.
I am indestructible.
This war has lingered for too long.
This is your destiny, my prince. To save Amici. To save Amici is your destiny, my prince.
But I can avoid it. Chima, I do not want to die.
My prince, everyone will die someday. Now
let me tell you, no one is praying to die at the peak of his life.
My prince, nobody wants you to die. Nobody is asking you to die.
But everyone is advising me to embark on this suicide mission.
Sitting back and watching all my logo, I think I will is more suicidal. More suicidal, my friends. And what all was up?
Greetings, Father. Greetings, son. You're welcome. Father, I have to serve my destiny.
What exactly do you mean by serving your destiny?
Father, I have to go to Ipango. Yes, Father. I understand you care about me, or I care about the people. Securing the throne for me will be meaningless if we allow Omalugo destroys Amenche. Who then will I rule after you reign if we allow Omalugo destroys his kingdom? Father, please, I have to go. If I perish, I perish. But if I live, I will live as a hero.
Okay. No, I'm surprised. The way you got over the death of her days. Also wanted for another maiden to marry.
Well, I cried. I felt guilty. But after the revelation, I was so confident that I was innocent. So what more can I do? The past of our forefathers killed her. I'm sorry to say that anyways, so, but I have to live on. What are going?
Okay. You're right anyway. Ola is quite a good maiden. She's a good maiden. So what did her father say?
My father said he will talk to her when she returns.
Let's hope she accepts.
What's the best? Nne, please hurry up. It's about to rain.
I can see. I hope you like it.
Very delicious.
Let me finish this one. Thank you.
Okenna, my son. The survival of this kingdom, Amici, now lies on your shoulder. Kneel. You shall go to Ipango and come back safely. You will rule this kingdom when I'm gone. And you will rule with brevity. This deed is not an ordinary one. Your safety and your life depends on it. It will keep you safe. And I want you also to protect it with your life for your own safety. Give me your left hand.
Ola. So how is your father?
It's fine.
You know, I was excited when my brother announced you as the maiden he wants to marry.
I was surprised when my father asked me if I want to marry him. I know he's your brother, but we have not been talking to each other. Except the day I was returning from the stream.
You are beautiful. And I guess that is what attracted him to you. Moricha.
It's fine.
Oh, Olisa, welcome.
Hola, how are you?
I'm fine.
I can see.
I greeted first. And overlooked it. I guess Ola is the only important person here.
Why are you jealous? I receive your greetings every day. And maybe I'm being tired of it. Well, I hope there's food in this house because I'm very hungry.
Yes, there
Okay, I'll be inside.
So what have you done to my brother? What?
Once upon a time, there existed a kingdom called Amici, a royal family of 4 children. The only surviving son gave his life to save a kingdom.
But father, what if he comes back alive?
Then history changes. His name will never be blotted out from history. His name shall be permanent in the mouth of many. From generation to generation, his reign will never be forgotten.
You see.
She, my friend, she accompany you to Ebangwa forest. Both of you should look after each other. I want to see you people back alive in this kingdom.
Yes, Father.
The gods of my forefathers will lead you.
I think we have to rest here. I am tired and exhausted. Tomorrow morning we'll continue our journey.
Okay. It is okay because the journey is too far. Huh? I will have to rally around and make a campfire.
Okay. Hope this place is safe.
It's safe. It is safe. Huh? It is safe. My prince, let me rally around and we'll make a campfire.
You sent them to the forest of Ibanku to fetch the fruit of the womb. What makes you think they will come back alive?
The gods are with them.
I shall destroy Amici and build my kingdom in it. Azuka, support me now that you have time, and I will give you half of my kingdom to rule.
A bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. I would rather stick to Amici than be part of a kingdom that is not in existence.
Azuka, what the future holds is greater.
I shall never be deceived by your deceitful words. You lured Ebele to her early grave with your words. You think I don't know what you're up to? You want to destroy Amici because their past kings did not fulfill your father's bid.
I shall achieve my aim. And when I do, I will remind you of this day. Why have you decided to offer what I desire to the wild animals?
I take that bold step that will lead to your destruction.
Mortals are always selfish. If I have the blood of your heir apparent, Amici shall live. But if he perishes in the evil forest, I will destroy Amici. You should have thought about that. But no! You wanted to retain the kingship in your family rather than protect Amici.
My name going down as the king who is unable to raise a heir to this throne is not acceptable. Amici can go to hell. But my son cannot go down.
I will destroy Amici. I will destroy Amici.
Omalugo!
I am wind, and the wind will destroy Amici.
Go ahead if you can.
Ọsọ nkịta gbara ọgụ arọ ịnyịnya gbakwa ya ọwụrụ ije ngala. Odogwu ihe odogwu ekelekwe nge ekele ọnụ lekwa ikpere ala nwa ewu ji aṅụ nne ya ara. Si arawa kene na nwata eru wara ọgọdị ikuku eburu ya buru ma ọgọdị ya ma buru kene eziokwu. Ya dịwa kene mgbọsị eji akpụ isi akpụkwuo na ahụ ọnụ.
I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted.
Listen, we have limited time. We need to continue.
Let us continue.
Where do you think you're going?
We are going to get that which will destroy you.
I will destroy you before you get to your destiny.
You cannot do anything. Do you know why? Because I am with the crown prince of this kingdom. The prince. It's not safe.
God of the widows, arise. God of the winds, arise. God of the forest, arise. God of the land, arise. God of the skies, arise. God of the rivers, arise. Mighty Ogiriga, arise and fight for me. I call on the 7 gods my father served to come and inflict pains on the land of Amici. Wipe them all out in 3 days. Arise! Arise! Arise!
My prince.
Timo!
Huh? What is it? What is it?
Snake! Snake! Ah!
My prince.
Ah!
My prince.
Amici!
Look up, please. Hey. Hey. My prince. Prince, you are awake. You are awake. You are awake. Stand. Easy, 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 easy. Easy. Wow. Easy, easy. Let us go. Let us go. Prince, no, this way. This way. Ganga.
What is this? Neka! Aduli! 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 Adam! Hey! Neka! Ne! Nemo! Okansije! Okansije! God save our land! What have I done to deserve this? My ancestors, what have I done? Hey! Ne! Aduli! Neka Nemo!
Omalugo has called on the 7 gods that our father served to destroy every living being in Amici. A huge sacrifice will be required to avert the danger and calamity that might befall Amici Kingdom.
What other sacrifice are you talking about? My son and his friend Chima are in the forest already, searching for remedy to this kingdom's calamity.
That remedy has to do with what your forefathers created, and not towards dealing with what Amalugo has in store for you. Amalugo is taking advantage of what her forefathers did to achieve her own personal desires. Even if she dies, the calamity would continue. To avert that, the 7 widows will be appeased and burial ceremonies carried out for them. To achieve that, a sacrifice must be made.
I am Igwe Ihudikananyu Manko, a god in disguise as a mortal. Name whatever items you need for a sacrifice, and I will provide them.
I need 3 young widows from Amici Kingdom.
Guards!
Go into the kingdom. Get 3 widows. I don't want to know how you do that. Get them immediately, take them to the shrine of Azoka.
Yes, Your Highness.
Kinji Udike na anyu manko one of Amici Kingdom ekele kwenge ekele ọnụ. Ọkwange nyụrụ mamịrị na mkpọ ọkwa aja n'obosi. Nwunye gị dị ime ara 8 ọmụtọ ma mụ echi kwa ya ọkụ n'ike ọnwụọ n'aka ha aka ka ị na-eme mmọnwụ.
My people are dying, we are drowning our own tears. Odima, Odikima. Every day we cry, we are suffering. Who would help us now? Where did we go wrong? Somebody help! Somebody help! people are dying. We are drowning our own tears.
Here's the fruit. Here's the fruit. Here's the fruit of Aginiwa. Chima, finally we made it. Aginiwa fruit. My prince, here's the fruit. Let me get it. Let me get it. Chima, stop! Stop! Don't touch the fruit of Aginiwa. This is the fruit of Aginiwa. Don't touch it. Yeah? Let me get it myself. Get it. Get it, the prince of the land. Get it, let us go. Amit will know that we finally made it. Get it. Sorry. Nirukana Bokewa. What other people who linta? Get it. Get it. Amici. Amici. Yes. Oh, yes. On it. Yes. On it. Get it. Tima! Here is the fruit of Agniba. The land is safe. Amici is safe. Let me keep it. Let us go. Very safe. Let us go. Get me one. Tima! Yeah. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Agbala nwanyi odogwu akataka nwanyi na-ejiro nnumu egwu nwanyi na-enedo ndị bi anya na-enedo na-achịkwa ife eji male ede akwụkwọ ka nsogbu bịa na obodo anyị ọ bịakwa na-abịa ị na-apụta na-asụ anyị. There's been a long-standing feud between our people and the people of Ogidika. They requested for the blood of 3 widows. Here, we have them. 3 widows that are ready to sacrifice themselves for their people. Brave and strong widows. In return, their children will be taken care of. Thank you, darling. But I know that this journey to the land beyond will be a great one. Someday, we will all meet up with you. Ambalawany! Ambalawany! Nakuya! Ambalawany mbwana! Ambalawany ibwana! Ha! Emeka kwa mi fizi lumo. Ha! Ejebego. Janu nudo. Manalotenu no mono will be well taken care of. Ambalawany! Odogu nwanya akataka. Ogino. Ogini na eme odiki ide eme.
Now we have to leave up. That will save the land. Yes. Yes, my prince.
Let me have it.
Never.
Now.
Never. Never. I shall destroy you this time. I shall destroy you. Uzunganganga. Uzunganganga. Finally! Opportunity to get off everyone. Opportunity to get off everyone. I got to walk with the Tima. Prince of the land! Odogu! Prince of the land! Odogu! Let us go, we have made it. Let's go! The land is free!
By the power bestowed on me, I hereby crown you the heir apparent, the Prince of Amici Kingdom.
Peace and harmony has been restored in Amici Kingdom. There are no more impending dangers.
Hey.
Son, you are not a man. You did it.
My lord, thank you, Father. Come. The calamities are over.
Maka iya ina